Hello, welcome to PCL. My name is Aaron Hayes, and what you're about to see, and it is behind me, is a demolition of a BLU 26. A BLU 26 is a cluster munition, one of the most common munitions found in this country. It commonly causes many deaths and also many injuries, and these injuries cause people to lose their livelihood. We from PCL work in Laos, work in the Khummuan province for the Num Turn 2 project, and we have run a response team. That response team is the people that are responsible for today's demolition. Thank you. Hi, welcome back. As you can see, that was a demolition, and it looks like a demolition well done.